actually Spain is a lot like India. Their eating habits are like us. They like spicy food. They eat very late. They have a siesta time, which we don't get in Bombay. But they're extremely warm, hospitable. So it was great fun, like I think that's like, when people ask you this question that, would you settle anywhere else besides India, where your home is, where you're born? And I would keep thinking like the closest place which only came to was London. But after being in Spain for 3 months and, interacting with the people there, experiencing their first World Cup moment when they won, and having that, I think maybe I would say that Spain can be a second home now. We shot right from Barcelona, we went to Pamplona, we went to Andalusia, we went to Buñol, Valencia, I think Ronda, Sevilla. So there were quite a few cities we went and shot in. That's the beauty in Spain. You can go and enjoy the beaches, or you can go to Ibiza and party your guts out. So I think it has both. But yeah, I would prefer personally the beaches, for sure. Architecture-wise, they've got everything. You go to the old city in Barcelona, so I think you do have, I think it's got, like I said, it's got a lot to offer for everybody. The art circuit is big, party circuit is big. Culture-wise, you have a lot over there, which is it's known for. The people of Spain are extremely friendly, warm. The people are very, very hospitable. We've had, like I said, we had a lot of Spanish crew. And while we were shooting in Barcelona, most of them lived there. And all the other cities we went, they were traveling with us too and living out of hotels. So while we were there, I think they all kept inviting us to their houses. On weekends, they wanted us to go. Some of them had outhouses. I think we became and bonded as one family when the final World Cup happened and they won. They were so crazy that they literally started breaking the screen down. And I think, so we became, for us, we were, literally became Spanish while we were with them. So that was great, that just says a lot about them, because you blend into their culture, you blend into them. And like I said, they are a lot like Indians, their culture, their life, their mannerism, they're very hospitable, they invite you over to homes. It's not only a weekend thing where you meet people only on weekends, in the middle of the week, you'll finish work and you'll go down, have a beer with them, have tapas with them. And I love their food, the tapas is great. So I'm kind of missing it right now. So I think, yeah, it was overall a great experience shooting there.